Okay, so airframe is covered now with 228 grams for a covered airframe. Now it's time to move on to the radio gear and the motor, etc. So there's the standard motor, and this is the ESC I'm going to give a try of. So before you go thinking, yes, I'll do that, I'll rush out and get one of them, just give it a little while I sort it out, because I don't know if it's going to work. All reports it does, but I don't know if it'll work with this size motor. And if you do decide to go down this road, you will need a Arduino Nano to program it. XT30, which is only on there temporarily, hence I don't have any installation. That's only temporarily on there so I can see if it was going to all function properly, because I'm driving. I don't have my battery yet. My 2S batteries haven't arrived yet, so I had to rig up a facsimile, something similar, and I wanted to make sure it all worked, which it does for now, but I haven't tried a full battery, fully charged battery, etc. So and I've soldered this directly to the ESC. Before you go cutting these wires, I did have to scrape. There's a coating on the internal wires here. There's some sort of coating on it, and I had to sit there with a razor blade on the edge and just scrape and scrape and scrape and scrape and scrape and scrape and scrape for the solder, or for the wire to take the solder, if that helps. Yeah, that was a chore, making sure that those would solder properly to the ESC. Yes, moving on. So what we can do is the XT30 and the ESC conveniently fit through that bottom hole that I've opened up down there. So let's see if we can do that here. Let's put that in there. Just my hand's in the way, I can't see. There goes the receiver wire. Then there's the ESC. And the motor will bolt in like that. So that's all very tidy. That'll go off to one side. Now that I've got it covered, I'll do a CG test and determine whether I put the servos in the front here and the receiver up the back. Again, I don't have my battery yet, so that's disappointing, but anyway, patience. So that's where I'm at. I reckon I'm targeting a weight of about 380 grams, I think, which will be lovely. I'm not putting spoilers in this one, so I was actually going to joke that I started out with a stock standard Radian and kept modifying it until it looked like this. So it'll just have rudder, elevator and motor. Yeah, that's it. Revert back to my my early days of flying 2 channels. So it should be fun. I'm looking forward to it. So probably won't hear much from me now until I get my batteries, which is end of the week, maybe early next week. Over and out.